I've been talking about the importance of creating wealth. I have also been reiterating that creating wealth is a habit. If you spend less than what you earn, you will become rich. Only the question is how much time it's going to take. Today I want to address problems of those who are in their mid careers. Basically, you're a youngster who's got a job in IT or some other place. It's paying you lucratively and you're looking forward to a good life. You are in your late 20s looking forward to your life. Maybe you are not yet married or you are just married and you want to enjoy life. So, before we discuss these things, let us do the following. Hit the like button of this video and kindly subscribe to this video. It's not enough that if you subscribe, get your friends and relatives to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. If you do not hit the bell notification, you are not going to be notified every time we put a video. Thank you for supporting Be Rich. Now, let us look at some money traps that people must avoid early in their career because good habits are very difficult to form. Once they are formed, you can live with it forever. So it's very important we look at good habits. These are not the only financial habits that you can develop. There are many other, but today I am going to talk about these 9 things. First thing, try to use public transport. Do not buy a personal transport. I understand this is COVID time, so you may not like this. In normal times, try to use public transport or anything within a kilometer, try to walk. It's good physical exercise. If at all you have to buy a electric two-wheeler because electric two-wheeler is almost available at 1 lakh rupees or 1.1 lakh rupees. A gearless scooter costs 80,000 and within 2 years you would have recovered the money because you wouldn't have spent any money for fuel. So that is the best option. Having said all this, you still want to buy a car. Try to buy a car which is within your pocket, which you can afford. Why do I say that? And how do you establish it? Because a car is not an asset, a car is a liability. Once you drive a car out of the showroom, it is going to cost you cannot sell it back for less than 50%. So, how do you decide whether you can afford the car? If you can afford to pay an EMI and have an additional saving of the equal amount, then you can afford the car. And I save 30% of my income. I'm still going to spend 10,000 rupees on my EMI. Then you should increase your savings by a 10,000. So you must be able to afford 2 times the EMI, and that is the range at which you can buy a car. If I'm paying 10,000 for a car, I must punish myself by saving another 10,000 rupees. That's what determines which car you can buy. Second, in India, never buy a house. In the good old days, about 10 years back, or even more than that, about 13 years back, it made a lot of sense to buy a house. You could replace your rental with a house. Basically, instead of paying rent, you paid EMI. But today the market has boomed and gone way ahead. So to pay an EMI and to the rent are not same. It is not apple to apple. So a EMI costs 3 times the rent for the same flat. This is not viable. Your home is not going to appreciate enough to give you any big return. Therefore, the interest you pay is a loss. Even though some of it can be claimed an income tax, it's a bad decision. So, do not buy a house in any metro in India. 3. You are young, you want to enjoy yourself, you want to travel, you want to go out. Okay, it's a great idea to travel and see the world. But prepare have a notebook like Kekebu, the Japanese method I've been talking about. Budget it. In that budget, have a weekly going out money, monthly going out money, and yearly going out money. If you can try to squeeze more money from your weekly and monthly outings, you can spend more on the yearly outing. If you spend too much on the weekly and monthly, then you have to spend less in your yearly. So be aware of what you are doing and see what you can afford. The other thing, most young kids today have a significant, have an expensive boyfriend, or there are girls who support an useless boyfriend who's trying to pursue some dream which is impossible. In both cases, you are being stupid. You have to take care of your life before you can support your boyfriend or girlfriend. Having a partner is a great thing in life, but that does not mean he's a freeloader. If anybody is going to freeload on your life, please cancel it out. Freeload means he or she does not pay for his or her expense and wants to freeload on you. Avoid it. This kind of love is shallow and will turn out badly for you. If your fiancé or a significant other cannot afford, wants to stay at home, it's not worth it. Today, both people have to work. Pull yourself out of lower middle class or middle class. Both of you don't work. You are not going to go anywhere in life. Too much. Stop using a credit card. Though today you may pay the bill on time, there is a significant advantage in paying cash. If you have to pay cash, you will spend less. A card does not mean it's physical transfer, so you do not have control over how much you are spending. Avoid debit cards, avoid credit cards. The sixth thing is the skill. You got a job, you got a lucky break, and you are in a good position. But suppose, like you are in networking, the cloud has made networks unviable, so you will lose your job. It's a high time that you keep on developing skills. You should be moving to the next level. A person who was doing networking must know everything about cloud so that he can make a seamless transition from being a network engineer to cloud engineer. This is only an example. Don't nitpick. Look for the next thing in your line of work and keep moving forward. 7. Have clear financial goals and save for them. There can be a lot of financial goals. I don't want to go into them. Buying a TV or buying a washing machine can also be a financial goal. Going for a vacation abroad is also a financial goal. Long-term wealth and security during retirement is a financial goal. Have separate financial goals, write them out, and save for them. Point number 8. Today, nothing is stable, no job is stable, career spans are short, and people are forced to change their life. So, create a second job and a second income. I have done a detailed video of how you can get a second income. Please refer to it. I will ask my team to share the link of the video in full. 9. It's not enough to save and keep the money in the savings bank. You need to invest money. If you want to become rich faster, you should know how to compound your money. There are several methods of investing. There's a basic book on investing from Peter Lynch, Learn to Earn. But the easiest way you can start investing, putting a systematic investment program in place and investing in Nifty and Next Nifty. That's a great place to start. And if you have enough time, you will become a crorepati before you retire. I'm sure you enjoyed it. I hope you implement these steps and have a wealthy life. Thank you for watching Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आनंद श्रीनिवासन है और मैं एक पर्सनल फाइनेंस कंसल्टेंट हूँ। मैं 2 YouTube चैनल चलाता हूँ पर्सनल फाइनेंस के बारे में। एक मनी पेज तमिल में है। मेरे बहुत से दोस्त बोले कि मैं हिंदी में एक चैनल शुरू करूं, तो मैंने एक पैसा बोलता है नाम का एक हिंदी चैनल शुरू किया है। मैं पर्सनल निवेश के बारे में ही बात करूंगा। आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करें। अगर आप हिंदी नहीं जानते हैं तो पैसा करें। जो आपके दोस्त हिंदी जानते हैं उनको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आग्रह करें। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।